Everyone, well, we had a rough night last night. Rained all night, and we were out here trying to cut some yards. We're going to cut this one for you, get it on film. But guess what? We got a special guest because, well, Doc needed some help trimming, because if not, these take a long time, especially this one. So, Silver Soldier.
How you guys doing?
Oh, look at that. He's got his Echo with him.
Yep.
He said, leave that crap still at home, Doc. I don't want it.
Yo, do not come at me at the comments. I didn't say that.
Look, dude, they know I tell fibs all day long, so.
Yep.
But I do want to try that, so we're going to get on a yard so Doc can try that, and he can try this mower, and we'll see what happens. But let's, what do you say, man? We get to work? Let's get to work. Okay, we are going to go back here, and Doc is going to use the Echo trimmer just to show all you folks that I'm not afraid to use it. I am not afraid to use it. Man, this is a mess, and we can't get a mower back in here. I'll show you why. We have pine trees blocking the way back, and he's got all these crates that he is making a basketball court with. So all that has to be trimmed. So let me go back here and grab a hold of this thing and do some trimming for you. So I'll see you in a minute. No, there we go. Just leave it be.
Yes, sir.
So for all of those who say Doc has never used a steel, Doc has used a steel now, or a Echo. I like it. I like that. That's the SRM 225. That's got, it sounds like it's a little boggish, but it's not when you're on the trigger, when you're actually cutting stuff. It is perfect, man. So if you guys are looking for a good, I would say starter to mid trimmer, the SRM 225 is a great deal. I don't know how much they cost. I know they're not as much as a, as the steel FS 111R, so I know that for sure, but that's a great trimmer. And why are we cutting all this with a trimmer? Well, he told me I didn't have to, but I'm not one to leave a yard just half done. I can't do that, man. If it takes longer, it takes longer. It's still the same price. The longer we sit here and wait, and the more air that blows on these yards, the drier they're going to get. So we'll be out till 3, 4 o'clock, which is fine. And from there, we'll just call it a weekend, because I know we're getting rain Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and that's just the way it is. So I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, I just got done using his BR, or what is that, PB9010T. Way too heavy, man. That thing is so freaking heavy. No thank you. I'll take my steel any day. Even that one I tried last year was a lot lighter than that one. Well, I'm not adjusted to it, so that might make a big difference, but I don't know. It's just too heavy, man. So we are going to get down the line. Yards seem like they're drying out, but we're getting rain later today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, like I said. Just can't get in a groove with yards. I'm just kind of hitting and missing stuff, and it's starting to grow. I would say by next week, man, if we have a day where the sun hits it, we are in trouble. It's going to be like crazy. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay, I had to do that one for Sensei Lou. He loves this yard. It is muddy. Let me tell you, we're going to leave mud tracks in it. There's no choice, but it's got to be cut. That's at 4 inches, man, and you can see all the grass that was cut off of there. That's a lot of grass, so got to go back there, and yeah, I just don't want to get stuck. Okay guys, we're back at my house. We're going to cut my lawn. This gentleman is going to use the orange mower, and it was wet. We just had to forego 2 yards because they were just absolutely muddy. But we got done. It was a blessing. Hope you guys enjoyed the mowing footage, and the only thing I can tell you is this, man. Get out and make something. If it's $50, it's better than $0. If it's $200, it's better than nothing. And he decided, well, he didn't decide, I decided he owes me for the day. So, you know, that's how it works sometimes. You just don't make anything.
You're in debt for working for somebody else.
Yeah, I mean, you came to work for me and now you owe me. How does that work? But I like it. Guys, I hope you have a blessed day. God loves you. Abel loves you. Sarah loves you. And as always, Dr. Real was in the house. Keep it real. Silver Soldier. We're out of here. Peace.